Okay, a little clip here to validate Bill Barr is on top of the game. This is an announcement. Crossfire Hurricane. Listen to this. This is Joe DeVinija.
Persons overseas, in order to get that information to come back into the United States, pretend that it was real intelligence, and then use that information to get FISA warrants. The FISA warrants that were obtained against Carter Page are part of the conspiracy because they were not founded on legitimate information. And we now know from the footnotes in the Grassley-Johnson letter that the FBI and the CIA purposely ignored exculpatory information against all of the targets in those warrants and allowed the warrants to go forward. The submission of those applications for FISA warrants under those circumstances is A, crime, and B, it is what is called an overt act in a large criminal conspiracy.
Okay, hold tight, Joe. We want to ask you more about this in just a second. We have a lot to ask, and I know you've got a lot to say.
That is unbelievable, people. It's coming. Durham is out there doing the indictments, and we could see him at any time. The whole game is going to change. It's either going to break loose and come unglued at the seams, or it's going to move into a more of an adult manner. Rambling Randy, we're down.